Have you ever felt that familiar knot of anxiety tightening in your stomach as payday approaches, knowing a stack of bills is waiting to gobble up your hard-earned cash? Or maybe you've experienced the sheer panic of realizing you've missed a crucial payment, leading to late fees, a hit to your credit score, and a general feeling of financial disarray. If you've nodded along to any of those, then you're in the right place, because today, we're going to talk about a game changer that can transform your financial life from chaotic to controlled: scheduling payments with Monzo. For too long, managing money has felt like a Herculean task for many of us. We juggle direct debits, standing orders, one-off payments, and the constant fear of forgetting something important. The traditional banking system, while functional, often doesn't make it easy to see the full picture of our finances or to automate our outgoing payments in a truly intelligent way. This is where Monzo steps in, not just as a bank, but as a financial management tool designed for the modern world. Before we dive deep into the how-to, let's set the stage. Why is scheduling payments so crucial in the first place? It's not just about convenience, it's about financial well-being. Imagine a world where your rent is always paid on time, your utility bills never slip through the cracks, your loan repayments are handled without you lifting a finger, and you're even consistently saving towards your goals. This isn't a pipe dream, it's the reality that scheduling payments can create. The benefits are manifold. First, it eliminates the risk of missed payments. This protects your credit score, avoids late fees, and saves you from the stress of chasing forgotten bills. Second, it provides unparalleled peace of mind. Knowing your financial obligations are automatically taken care of frees up mental space, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life. Third, it helps with budgeting. When you schedule your regular payments, you get a clearer picture of your fixed expenses, making it easier to see how much disposable income you truly have. This allows for more informed spending decisions and helps prevent overspending. Finally, and perhaps most powerfully, it empowers you to take control. You're no longer reacting to bills as they arrive, you're proactively managing your money, setting it up to work for you. So, how does Monzo fit into this picture? Monzo, with its intuitive app and user-centric design, has made scheduling payments not just easy, but genuinely enjoyable. It moves beyond the clunky interfaces of traditional banks, offering a streamlined experience that puts you in the driver's seat of your finances. They've built features specifically designed to help you automate your financial life, giving you clarity and control. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty: how to actually schedule payments with Monzo. We'll break this down into a few key categories: setting up direct debits, managing standing orders, and scheduling one-off payments for the future. Setting up direct debits with Monzo. Direct debits are arguably the most common type of recurring payment. Think your electricity bill, your internet provider, your gym membership, or your Netflix subscription. With Monzo, managing these is incredibly straightforward. When you sign up for a service that requires a direct debit, you'll typically be asked to provide your bank account details, your account number, and sort code. Monzo provides these clearly within the app. Once you've provided these details to the service provider, they will set up the direct debit mandate with Monzo. The beauty of Monzo here is the transparency. As soon as a direct debit is set up, or even when a payment is about to be taken, Monzo sends you a notification. This is crucial because it gives you advance warning and allows you to ensure you have sufficient funds in your account. To view and manage your direct debits in Monzo, open your Monzo app. Log in using your chosen security method, fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. Navigate to the Payments tab. You'll find this at the bottom of your screen, often represented by a card icon or a $sign. Select Scheduled or Recurring Payments. The exact wording might vary slightly with app updates, but look for an option that groups your ongoing payments. Tap on Direct Debits. Here, you'll see a list of all your active direct debits. For each one, you can see who the payment is to, the amount, if it's a fixed amount, and the next payment date. Managing a direct debit. Tapping on an individual direct debit will give you more options. You can often see past payments, and crucially, you can cancel a direct debit directly from within the app. This is a powerful feature as it eliminates the need to contact the service provider or your bank directly, streamlining the process significantly. Always remember to inform the service provider when you cancel a direct debit to avoid any service interruptions or outstanding balances. Monzo's proactive notifications are a lifeline here. Imagine getting a notification saying, "Your electricity bill for pound X is due on date." This gives you time to top up your account if needed, or to query the bill if something looks off. It's a simple feature that makes a huge difference in preventing overdrafts and financial stress. Setting up and managing standing orders with Monzo. While direct debits are initiated by the payee, the company you're paying, standing orders are initiated by you, the payer. These are typically used for regular, fixed payments that you make to another person or a specific account. Common examples include paying rent to a landlord, transferring a set amount to a savings account each month, or sending money to a family member. Setting up a standing order in Monzo is as intuitive as sending a regular payment. Open your Monzo app, again, log in securely. Go to the Payments tab, the same place you found your direct debits. Tap the new payment or plus icon. This is usually in the top right or bottom corner. Choose bank transfer or send money. You'll be presented with options to send money to someone. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need their account number and sort code. If they're also a Monzo user, you might be able to search for them by their Monzo username. Enter the amount you want to pay. Crucially, select the repeat or frequency option. This is where you turn a one-off payment into a standing order. You'll be given options like weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Choose the start date. When do you want the first payment to go out? Choose the end date, optional if this is a temporary standing order, e.g., paying a friend back over a few months. You can set an end date. If it's ongoing, like rent, you can leave this blank. Add a reference. Always add a clear reference so the recipient knows what the payment is for, e.g., rent July, savings transfer. Confirm the details. Double-check everything before confirming the standing order. Once set up, your standing order will appear in the scheduled or recurring payments section alongside your direct debits. You can easily view, edit, or cancel standing orders from here, giving you complete control over your regular outgoing transfers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.